When the sun goes down, the parks come alive with vibrant lighting, more intense thrills, and an extra touch of magic. Nightfall also offers an escape from the daytime heat and crowds. Join us as we visit some of our favorite places within the theme parks and experience some of the attractions that are even better after the sun sets in Parks After Dark. During the day, Avengers Campus in Disney California Adventure Park is abuzz with all sorts of superhero activity. Look for Spider-Man flying through the air or Black Widow battling it out with the Taskmaster. But if you're looking for even more epic photo ops, Avengers Campus is definitely worth a visit at night. During the day, you can encounter the master of the mystic arts. But at night, Doctor Strange's ancient sanctum pulsates with mystic energy. Powered by an arc reactor, Avengers Campus really comes aglow as the sun sets. Hop along as we visit Avengers Campus After Dark. Get the exact same theme park tickets for less, no catch, at Undercover Tourist.